Well, good day everybody, it's that time again to get back outside in the garage, get some things done. Last night was a pretty good night. Fedor and Dave came over, had a few beers. Fedor brought over all this weird shit. Cherry Porter, the Grinch, Red Racer Session. That was mine, of course. I drank these last night. These are good beers, the Steamworks. You know, I always complain that it was expensive to keep my garage heated at 7 degrees in the wintertime, but I really think that thermostat I had in there was like way off, because I'd come in here at 7 degrees, I'd have to work with no jacket and it felt really warm, which seemed kind of odd. But 7 degrees with this thermostat feels cool, and it doesn't even run near as much as the other one. This is the kit I bought a few months ago. I couldn't even tell you who makes it now. Alrighty, play the lineup game again. For this one here, I just basically set it up and boom, we're good to go. New ones are stiff. These ones here, like a limp dick in the wind. All new steering linkage is on. Another job well done. If you did this job and one tire straight and one's way out at an angle like that, you know you did something wrong. I'm looking forward to getting this project finished. It's been kind of a big project over the past, I guess, year, because I brought it in the garage last year at this time when we started tearing down the engine, doing the rebuild. And now it's back inside, doing the front end. Next year, probably be the back end, because those axles in the back are obviously, boots are starting to get worn and cracking. So I wouldn't be surprised if we're gonna rebuild the rear end next year, but we're gonna ride it in the meantime until something happens. Well, I got the block heater cord finally installed back on the ATV. Should make sure that block heater indeed still works. That's a good sign right there. Glad that works, because this ATV is pretty hard to start in the winter. And I think I'm pretty much done for today. Gotta get ready for a long work shift. Work has basically told us for the next 5-6 weeks we gotta put in 5-10 hour days plus an 8-hour day on the weekend, which I think is complete fucking bullshit, because their poor planning to get this stuff out the door is not my fucking problem. I'm not a big fan of putting in big amounts of overtime for numerous reasons. I don't need it, I don't want it, and I don't give a fuck. Just got everything on the table here. Picked up this bad boy from the Snap-on truck. This little work light is awesome. I'm gonna put it to good use, because I have that plug-in LED one right there, but it's limited to where you can use it. The part that sucks about this is trying to feed that tube on. I think I'm gonna grease it up. Got that sucker on there. Let's finish this up. Put the plastics back on. Then motherfucking beer time. So, tap drill size for 1/8 MPT should be 11/32. If it's not, that drill chart is lying to me. I'm gonna be pissed. 1/8 tap. Big ratchet was like a limp dick. I have a small stubby here somewhere. Where did it go? There it is, it's on the ground. More control. Use this stubby wrench. Now, size that up. Right about there. That was a 5-minute job that cost less than $5 for insurance. Hopefully this won't happen again. Now the front diff is like a submarine. Love that light, it's so awesome. I'm just doing a double check here before I throw that plastic on to make sure nothing is hanging down where it shouldn't be. I noticed one of the hoses was hanging down by the steering linkage. That could cause me some issues down the road. Tied that up. I think everything's looking good. Holy crap, that's tight now, no more play. Got both tires on, just gotta replace the winch cable. We'll do that in the next video. Get the garage cleaned up. And this thing will be done, finally. Alright, motherfucking beer time. 13% beer. Holy shit. This is the Bill Cosby special right here. So I'm gonna be honest, I don't even know how to properly open this. Okay, I think the wax seal is busted. Just like that. I'm gonna need a glass. Unless I'm gonna eat some wax. Alright, it's motherfucking beer time. That's some dark beer right there. 13%. Kind of tastes like coffee and chocolate. When it hits your stomach, it's like Tabasco sauce and burns it. It's pretty decent though. You know, it's not that bad. I kind of like it. Anyways, we're moving along on this project. One more video, unless something else happens out of the blue. We'll be working on the car. Oh yeah, this is good. So if you guys have any questions or comments, post them below. And I'll see you guys shortly. Brewed in accordance to the German Purdy law.